All right, we made it. We are at the front entrance. As you can see, all the cars are coming in. We got BMWs of every age and every type rolling into the show. It's gonna be a huge event. I'm excited. Let's see what we can find out here. All right, so here we go. So we were looking for the highs on this show, but unfortunately, all we could find are the lows. So while this is a BMW show, we do have a few other manufacturers as well, including Porsche and Ferrari. So that is the BMW Invasion show in Melbourne, Florida. BimmerTech is going to try to bring you some more car culture stuff here on our YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss any of the future upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, guys.